Hey everybody, I'm Stacy Lynn and I am here at the 1826 house that we are restoring. And 1826 is when it was built, and it was the first house out here. And so right across the street, well, you can see that in a minute, is one of my son's houses, and it's 1836. But today we're taking brick down from this chimney, and we're going to use this brick on this house, but we're going to build new chimneys because these are just tearing apart. I want you to see what we're doing. I'm going to put my phone down. I had to have it for us to film, but just come this way and I'll show you what's going on. So he's taking them down, and all of the kids are, and my sons were doing this a second ago, they're doing something else, but are putting the brick in on pallets, and he's just up there pulling things out from the top. And so, are there bricks inside it? Is that what that is?
It's just all mortar from all the mortar.
Oh, okay. It's all, they put mortar in there?
Yeah, a lot of it's from the mortar from me taking these bricks down.
Ah, okay. Well, anyway, so he is doing that right now, and then the girls and some of the kids are, putting those up. But anyway, so we're taking the chimney down, and then this is the house itself. I wanted you to see, I haven't shown y'all the outside of the house yet. So it's a small little house, and we're going to be changing a lot of this to make it more. They tried to update it, I believe, in the 1920s maybe, and they put a couple of things on here that really should not have gone on here, and the porch is not exactly as it should be. And so across the street, as soon as this truck passes, all right, so turn on across the street, this is the 1836 house, and you can see that all of these houses are quite historic. And then get that house there. Some of them are not, but many of them are. So those are the houses around here. And then we have all these great big trees. So outside, all of this we're going to probably take up. Although I really love these boxwoods, but I have those at my house. So I'm thinking, I wonder if I should pull them up and replant them. I don't like to destroy anything. So let's go, let's see. Well, as you can see, the shutters are not real. We don't want fake shutters on the place, and we want nothing fake because everything original is great. There's the siding that's on here that is hard. It's not even hardy board. It's some sort of plastic siding they put on here years ago. And then the chimney, we've already taken this chimney down, and there's the two pallets that those two things have gone on. The windows are the wrong size. They originally were a good bit taller, almost the same width, but a good bit taller. We want the original windows, or the original style windows. This little section was built onto the house, which is right out here, and that is rotten, and I don't exactly know what we're going to do with that, but we don't want to change the roof line too much, so we're going to try to work within the bounds of what this house has. I believe that we're going to make that a little shorter, and we're going to have a big patio out here and have a really big living space out here. And my dream would be to have to have like a place right here under these trees to host dinners, and to do like a 7-course meal, and to have people watching if they want to as I cook, or to be out here congregating and just waiting for their meal. I'm not sure yet if we'll be doing that. There's so many ideas running through my head about how to use this place, and I definitely want to use the kitchen. So anyway, we've got a lot to do, and this house has not had really any updates. I don't know, when we bought it, I think it had been updated maybe in 1960 or something. That's what it looked like. And so it had linoleum and carpet and, all of those things that people loved at that time. And now it's just, it's got hardwood all the way through it. It's got, all of the walls are wooden, and they're wonderful. So anyway, I just wanted to show you the outside. I forgot I had not really shown you the whole outer perimeter of the house. So we may extend, I don't know, because we'll have to change the roof, as I had said, but we may extend that kitchen in this way, or we may extend it out this way. I don't know yet. We're just going to have to come to it. I don't mind keeping the same floor plan. It's not a very big house at all, but I think it could be really, really unique and so cool, and we want to bring back, revive its history. So I hope y'all all have a great day, and I hope you stick around to my channel. Subscribe to the channel so that you can get all these updates, because I promise you it is going to be amazing. I'll talk to you soon.